Hi, my name is Marcel. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Tusk. We're an AI coding agent that auto-fixes your UI UX issues from ticket all the way to pull requests. So I'm recording this video to show you and announce that we've released an exciting new feature. It's one of our biggest features yet. It's called automated browser testing, and it allows our AI agent to automatically test its changes on a PR in your preview environment to verify that the changes work. And this way, it makes it super easy for you as an engineer or technical PM to review, approve, and merge Tusk's PRs. So I'm going to show you an example of a ticket that we use Tusk on. So we have a suggested issues page, and one of the problems that customers are facing right now is that in this page, there's no way to filter these suggested issues according to whether they have sufficient information or whether they actually need more information. So this was a ticket we created based on customer feedback. Tusk noticed that it might need additional information, so it prompts us with questions, which I have answered in this paragraph right here. And then I essentially also added a Jam link, which allows us to basically easily verify that the changes work by generating test steps. So we do that as well. And then I've assigned the label, Tusk label, to this ticket to get Tusk to work on it. So we can actually take a look at the activity logs for this specific task. So right here, as you can see, we're analyzing that Jam link to pull out the context from the user session. And this allows us to navigate the code base better. We explore the code base to find the relevant files. In this case, yes, these two files are files relevant to suggested issues. We also retrieve insights from memory. In this case, we're looking at past implementations of filters, not on the suggested issues page, but on our issues tables. In this case, we realized the use memo React hook was needed to actually allow us to minimize unnecessary re-renders. And we also see that we do need to introduce a new filter state variable, essentially. So what Tusk does is it uses these contexts to then generate the code. In this case, we are creating that state variable here. We're creating the filter candidates logic right here as well. And we're also then adding the status pills or the filter pills that we need to actually filter by the relevant status on those auto suggested issues. And we also handle an empty state right here. So that's great. But let's take a look at the PR. I want to actually know if it works. So we also do run the browser testing. As you can see, we actually generate test steps in order to be able to click through the preview environment to see if the changes have worked. So if I check the PR right now, amazing. I actually see screenshots of the browser testing. And so it says, okay, when I actually go to the suggested issues page, I should see that the filter pills are there, and that's correct. It's there, so it's verified. And what happens if I click the sufficient info pill? Awesome, yeah, I'm seeing that it's only showing suggested issues that have the sufficient info status. Now, if I go to the needs more info filter and I click that, it should only correctly verifies that it only shows me suggested issues that need more information. That's awesome. So now I know that this works. I can also go into the preview URL if I want to really double check that it works, but I'm pretty confident in this feature at this point. We have built it ourselves, so I know the extent to which it does well, and this is amazing. I've also checked the code. So what I'm going to do now is approve this. And I'm going to merge this live on this demo just to show you how confident I am in this. But yeah, and that's going to be merged. And once we deploy this, you'll see this in our production environment. And so if you sign up for Tusk today, you'll be able to see it in our current web app. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this inspires you to start using tools like Tusk. And if you are interested in trying this out, let me know, and happy to set you up and do a personal onboarding for you. Thank you.